Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about mushroom Bhuna Masala. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 2 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon roasted gram flour, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ginger-garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Along with 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 200 grams of mushroom and mix well. Let it marinate while we prepare for the gravy. Take 1 tablespoon butter, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, and 2 medium-sized onions sliced. Cook till it turns translucent, and then add 2 green chilies. Along with 1 teaspoon ginger-garlic paste. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, and add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Along with some salt for taste. Add some cashew nuts to it and some water. Cover and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. Don't forget to remove the bay leaf and let this cool. On the other hand, take little oil and butter and add the marinated mushroom. Let us grind it to make the gravy for our dish. Take 1 tablespoon oil and pour the ground paste and add the mixer wash. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the mushrooms. Cook for a minute. Finally, add coriander leaves. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.